Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2021 Polaris Ranger XP 1000. Has a full hard cab. I'm going to say 95% tread on the front tires. Crank down window doors. I'm going to say 80-90% tread on the rear tires. Those are Maxxis Bighorn. Tilt-assist dump box. Full hard cab. Tip-out glass windshield. Heater. Wiper washer kit. This machine's got 754 engine hours, 10,183 miles. I'm going to take another video of this machine getting started up, drove around the lot. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at 406-232-3300.